Question 9. Factorize 2t squared minus 7t plus 3. So there's no common factor to this one, first of all. And by definition of the number in front of the t squared, it's non-monic. So there's more than one way of doing this. I'm going to go with the AC method, which starts with multiplying a and c together. That is the number that's with the letter squared. Normally it's an x squared, but in this case it's t squared. Multiplying those together is where we're going to start. Factors of 6. We have 1 and 6, 2 and 3, and we are looking for this. The fact that this is a positive 6 means that they're going to be the same sign. They're either both going to be plus or both going to be minus. And we're looking to get the number negative 7 from this. So the only way, based on the fact that both of these have to be this, either both plus or both minus, the only way that we can get minus 7 by adding them together is if we have minus 1 and minus 6. So minus 1 and minus 6 are going to be the two values that combine to make this minus 7t. So the next step here is that we've got two options. One of them is trial improvement, or the other is to split this up into these two pieces. One of them will have minus t and one of them will have a minus 6t. It doesn't matter which one you put first. We rewrite the first term and we rewrite the last term. Then what we do is we take the first two, no, I'll pick a different color. We take the first two terms and we're going to, where are we? Take the first two terms and we take the highest common factor out of them. So the highest common factor of 2t squared and 6t is 2t. That will leave us with a t minus 3 inside the brackets here. We're now going to take the highest common factor of these two as well, except we must end up with this t minus 3. Now it's important that we write that t minus 3 first, because in this case, there's not actually anything in common with them. But because of the fact that we need to have this t minus 3, normally if you don't have things in common with each other, the highest common factor is 1. So you have this 1 that sneaks out, but it's the opposite terms. Our negative t and our plus 3 are going to become a plus t and a negative 3. So this 1 will also be accompanied by minus 1. From there, we then technically out of these two take t minus 3 out as a common factor, or in other words, that is one of our answer brackets. And the two highest common factors on the outside, this 2t minus 1, make up the other bracket. Done.